Get excited about the 2011 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. Mercedes-Benz made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as power trunk closing assist, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, a power convertible roof, and leather upholstery. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a 4 GB hard drive, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as knee airbags, brake assist, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.